Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's another, my mic is shifting. Hold on. So welcome back to my channel. Tell me I'm beautiful in the comment section. Bikono, I'm making use of this makeup very well. Tell me I'm beautiful in the comment section. If you're seeing my face for the first time, this is OGOM'S, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. So it's another YouTube tips or how to grow on YouTube today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, click on the thumbs up right now. And if you haven't joined my membership, please join my membership and get more benefits from this channel. So on today's video, I'll be showing you, or rather, I'll be telling you how to start getting paid on YouTube, or how to get monetized on YouTube, or what you should do after monetization in order to start getting paid from YouTube. If this is a video that you love, let's get right into it. If you get 1 year on YouTube and you haven't gotten to 4,000 watch hour, YouTube will start reducing the watch hour for which you have even accumulated within the 1 year on YouTube. If you have had 1,000 watch hour all the time you stay on YouTube and you get to 1 year without reaching 4,000 watch hour, you might wake up one morning, YouTube will collect 50 out of it. You might wake up on the next morning, YouTube will collect 30. Please, YouTube, we are begging you. Please, YouTube, we are begging you, reduce the watch hour for which you are collecting from us. Instead, increase the RPN for us. That is what we are begging you. I've heard so many people say that they did not know that they need to have 4,000 watch hour before they can start getting paid from YouTube. Now, first thing first, okay, the requirement for you to have in order to even get monetized on YouTube is for you to get 1,000 subscribers first. You need 1,000 subscribers first. After that, you also need 4,000 watch hour. In that way, your channel will be monetized. Now, if you have these two things, when your channel gets monetized, what do you need to do? You need to go and add ads. Some people say that they did not know that they need to add ads on their video before YouTube can start paying them. Don't you understand when people say, watch my ads? Ads is a way for which you can get paid on YouTube. That is a way for which YouTube pays you. Now, what is the meaning of ads? Ads is whereby you are watching a particular video and spaghetti ads pops up. That is an ad. If you get to watch those ads on people's video, YouTube gets to pay that particular content creator for which you have watched ads on his or her video. Now, it's very, very important for you to watch other people's ads. Please do not deprive others of that. Start building your own audience now, or rather start building your own conscience now that if I watch other people's ad, if I get monetized, people should also watch my own ads. But I know it doesn't work that way. But this is my own, how do I put it? This is my own opinion and this is my own suggestion. Watch other people's ad. If you're a content creator now and you are not yet monetized and you are saying, I'm not monetized, why should I watch other people's ad? Right hand, watch left hand will watch right hand. If you are doing all those things, when people get to your own turn, they will say, okay, I'm not monetized too, so why should I watch your own ads? So if you see ads pop up on people's video, please watch it. If it's a 1 hour ad, I beg, just watch small and go. But if it's a 54 minutes ad, just watch that ad. It won't take anything from you. They watch 6 minutes ad, 8 minutes ad, 10 minutes ad, as they are seeing me here. Because I don't know what others are doing on my channel. So you should have conscience on this YouTube street. Even if others are doing anyhow, build your own mindset. This is my own mindset. I started watching people's ad even before I got monetized. Now, if people watch your own, you don't know what they're doing in the hiding. So make sure you watch other people's ad. Now, I have said 3 things here. For you to get paid on YouTube, you need, or even for you to get monetized on YouTube, requirements for you to start getting paid on YouTube. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour. Start adding ads on your video. You need ads. Now, what do I mean by adding ads? Adding ads is whereby you're adding like 4 ads in an 8-minute video, or you're adding 5 ads on a 12-minute video. You are adding ads in between. Someone have also asked me, how do I add ads in video? I will also be making a video on that. But remember that you should always add ads in your video. Now, what do you mean by adding ads in your video? Whenever you post your video, before it goes public, go to your YouTube studio. When you go to your YouTube studio, click on the dollar sign for which you're seeing. If you click on the dollar sign, you are going to be seeing manage mid-rows or mid-row ads, whatever it is. I'll be attaching it on the screen. When you click on that, don't allow YouTube add ads for you. Don't allow them to place ad automatically for you. Divide the ads. In that way, people will watch different ads on your video. Remember that it's not all ads that plays on a particular video. Add your own ads, because if you allow YouTube to place ads for you, you might be seeing only one ad in a 12-minute video. People might not even watch only that one ad. So it's a dicey game. People will tend to watch smaller minutes ad, or they will not even watch at all. Not even a six ads that you add on a 12-minute video will play in all. So make sure you add ads in your video before it goes public. Now, if you need to add info cards is whereby people get to see a video attached on top of the screen while the main video is still playing. Like right now, I might add a card whereby people get to click on other videos, maybe related to what I'm talking about. Maybe if in my video, I have talked about cooking egusi soup, and I might say I have done a similar video about that, and I'll be attaching it on the screen, that on the cards. That is what is called an info cards. In that way, people get to watch other videos related to the main video for which you are making right now. Adding your info cards, adding your mid-row ads is another way for which you can get paid in the present video and in the old video for which you are attaching on your video. That is another way for which you can start receiving money from YouTube. Now, another way for which YouTube can pay you is with your membership. I have done, oh my God, I'm tearing up. Hold up. Now, another way for which you can make money from YouTube is whereby you are putting your membership button on. Okay, your membership button can be of different types, of different levels. Put it, people might get to join your membership and you'll be getting paid every month for it. Please put reasonable amounts. And on that note, if you haven't joined my membership, please click on the join button. Join any level for which you can see there. Is another way for which you can support my channel. Okay, I don't want people to say, I didn't know that I'm supposed to add ads in my video. I have heard so many of them. Now, another way for which you can get paid or get monetized on YouTube is whereby you are running your live stream. I have made similar videos on how you can get your 4,000 watch hour fast. Okay, start running your live stream. Even if people are not showing up, start showing silent live stream. Put a teddy bear for us. Let people be watching it. But you can as well be active in the comment section, whereby you drop a particular topic and people will get to discuss about that. And you people might get active. People will get to be watching that particular silent live stream, even if you are not showing your face. That is another way for which you can get to your 4,000 watch hour fast or get monetized on YouTube fast. Okay, now another way for which you can get monetized on YouTube fast or start making money on YouTube is by having affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is whereby you buy a particular product and you will put the link for which the company has given you in your description box. If you refer people, like this mic I'm using right now is from Austin 7070. People have asked me what is the name of the mic. This mic doesn't have a name. It's just a wireless. Hold up. This is the mic, okay? So this is a wireless microphone. Is actually two receiver. I'm charging the other one because it's down, and this is another one for which I'm using. So is whereby you are making use of a mic, you're talking, and in that way it accumulates any noise that is playing in the background. Okay, now this particular mic for which I have bought, I might decide to put the link in the description box. If people get to click on that link with my discount code or click on that link and they get to buy this particular product from my link, Austin 7070 might pay me for it. I'm not saying that they're paying me for it, though. I'm just showing you an example. If you have bought a particular item and you put a link in your description box, if people click on that link from your description box, you are getting paid a certain percentage from that link or from that product for which they are buying. So that is another way for which you can make money on YouTube. Now, another way for which you can get monetized faster is by supporting others. I've said this thing severally. So generally, this video is how to get monetized faster, how to make more money from YouTube, and how to grow your channel. Support others so that support go reach you. Do to others what you want them to do unto you. That is what I always preach. If you want people to watch you, watch them. Some people will say, is sub for sub. I call it support for support, because you can't keep watching me. I keep seeing your comments and I would love to support you. Even if I don't like your content, I will definitely watch that particular video to decide if I like the content or not. So support others for others to support you. Don't say e sub for sub, because na ghost go support, no be ghost go support your channel. It's you and I that will support each other on this YouTube platform. So generally, this video is YouTube tips. Now, if you're already monetized and you're a content creator and you haven't been sharing your old videos, I have said this severally, go and start sharing your old videos. Flo Chinyere has been sharing videos of 3 years ago. Go and start sharing your old videos. In that way, you will start getting more views, because when you have more views, what does it equal to? More money. You are making more money. So start sharing your old videos. I've said it in my other video. Start sharing your old video. Also, make sure that you are using the right keywords. You are using the right keywords. I think this is kind of like distracting. So make sure you are using the right keywords on your videos. In that way, your video gets to pop up when others are searching for that particular keyword on YouTube. So is a two-way video that I did. Remember that you are adding ads on your video. Remember that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour on YouTube. And very importantly, if you get 1 year on YouTube and you haven't gotten to 4,000 watch hour, YouTube will start reducing the watch hour for which you have even accumulated within the 1 year. So this is basically, I don't know. This is basically a YouTube growth video or YouTube tips video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, Ejo, please subscribe to this Mommy GO's channel. I'm a masterclass holder on YouTube, okay? I have first class masterclass holder for YouTube tips. If you have other video that you would want me to create on my channel, please let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely see you in my next one. I'm tearing up. Bye. Ogini mere m, onye na-eti m? Ka ihe na-eti m, ndị be m ya emecha makeup kwụrụ na ogene. My mate will finish doing makeup. Me, I will do my own. My own is always different. Why are you tearing up? Ndị makeup artist, ihe ha ya anacha mmadụ n'anya.